Okay, so for these ones, the way that you want to do these is you want to eliminate the fractions. So you have to remember that this negative 6b is negative 6b over 1. Okay, and so in order to eliminate the fractions, we want to find a common denominator between the 1, 3, and the 2, and that would be a 6. And now we're going to multiply every single term by 6. So we're going to take the negative 6b, we're going to times by 6. We're going to take the 4/3, we're going to times by 6. We're going to take the negative 5/3 v, we're going to times by 6. We're also going to take the negative 1/2 and we're going to times by 6. Okay, so negative 6v times 6 is negative 36 plus 4/3 times 6 is an 8. And if you cross reduce, 3 goes into 6 twice, 2 times 4 is 8. So now that fraction is gone. Okay, negative 5/3 v times 6. 3 goes into 6 twice, and 2 times negative 5v is negative 10v. Now that fraction's gone. And then negative 1/2 times 6 is a negative 6 over 2, or a 3. And 2 goes into 6 3 times, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Now, from there, we're just going to solve this variable on both sides equation that doesn't have any fractions. So our first step is to get the two terms that have the same variables, this term and this term. We want to get those on the same side of the equation. So we can either add 36v to both sides, or we can add 10v to both sides, and it doesn't matter which one we choose. I'm going to go ahead and just add 36v to both sides. Because when I'm doing these, I always like to be left with something that's positive, and a negative 10v and a positive 36v is a positive 26v. Then we have minus 3, and then from there, we would add 3 to both sides. So 11 equals 26 times v, and then last step would be to divide by 26. So 11 divided by 26 equals v. Voila, there's your answer.